This is how to create and verify your Bybit account using your mobile device in 2024. So, hi lovelies, welcome to another Friday segment of my small business and I. In case you are new here, my name is Susan and this is that segment where I share how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that particular job or cake order or small chops order or kitchen order or any event order if you're in the event industry or if you're a 9 to 5 worker or a sit-at-home mom. So let's get started. So I'm in my Play Store because I'm using an Android device. If you're using an iPhone, you can use your App Store to download your Bybit account. So in my Play Store, I'm going to search for Bybit. And then I'm going to click on the search button to search for it. If you've watched my previous video where I shared how to create and verify your Bitget account using your mobile device 2024, it's almost the same process. So for this particular one, I'm using Bybit. So I'm going to install this particular Bybit, buy Bitcoin and crypto, and I'm going to click on install it. So I'm going to install that, and then it's going to show downloading, and it will count up to 100%. And once it's done downloading, it's going to show next installing, and then I'll get back into the video. So Bybit account has been downloaded successfully. So I'm just going to click on this part that says open to open it, and then we are going to create a Bybit account for ourselves. So if you have watched how to create and verify your Bitget account using your smart shared recently, this is almost the same process. They have the same process. So this is how the sign up page will look like. Emily, you are directed to this platform. You will see they're going to bring up an advertisement, your crypto arc and all that. So you're going to click on sign up, because yes, we are new users. We're going to click on sign up. If you are an old user, you just click on log in now, on this login now. But as a new user, you're going to click on sign up, and then once you click on sign up, it's going to give you the same interface. You can say this is just similar to your Bitget account sign up interface. So you can sign up with your email and a password, or you can go with your mobile number and a password. If I click on that mobile number and password, you see it asks me to input my mobile number and password. So now I'm going to input my email address, and I'm going to input my password. So then my password, I'll do that off camera and get back to the video. But before that, I want you to notice this bubble box here. It says your password has to be between 8 to 30 characters. That is, it should not be lesser than 8 and it should not be more than 30 characters. Then have at least one lowercase number. That is, have one small alphabet. One alphabet that is letter, not capital letter but small letter. Then have at least one upper letter, that is one capital letter, and at least one number. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to get back. Once you are doing any of these criteria, once you've met any of these criteria, this bubble box is going to get ticked here at this segment. So I'll do that and I'll get back to the video. So I've done that and I'm just going to click on, make sure you have agreed to Bybit terms of service and privacy, and then you don't need to put a referral code, that is optional. Then you click on sign up, and then you wait for it to load the next interface, and it will send me an email verification code in my email. So I'm going to check that email box. I'm going to check my email box to get my verification code. So this is my verification code 244184 0202. I'm going to just input that here, 024184, and then I'm going to wait for it to load automatically. It gets loaded after 5 minutes. If you don't use the code after 5 minutes, it means that you are going to request for the code again. So now it tells me welcome to Bybit, verify identity. You upload a photo of government ID, or you upload yourself. You decide the ways to verify, or you skip. I'm not skipping. I'm going to verify now. I'll click on that verify now. I'll click on this verify now, and I will verify. So it's going to load the next interface. This is how it looks like. You see that this is very similar to Bitget account. So it's going to tell me that my account is unverified. It's unverified right here, and then it says I should verify to get access to using or utilizing all these options here. So I'm going to click on the verify now, and then once you click on the verify now, it's going to load this interface. Now it's going to tell you that due to insufficient phone memory, you may not be able to complete this verification process. If you encounter any problem, I'm just reading what's here. I'm reading what's here. So your country of residence, or the country where your government identity card was given, will be displayed here. If it's not displayed there, just click on this drop down button here, and then you can select on the drop down button your country, or you search and it's going to come up. But my country of residence and the country of my government issued certificates or documents is here, so I'm going to just leave it at Nigeria. So this also applies to any other country you are, whether you're in South Africa, Ghana, any other country you are, you can do that. Then it will tell you that your document type, you can either use your BVN, ID card, driver's license, or passports, international passports. Your ID card can be your NIN, your driver's license, and it tells you that this BVN is recommended. Like I shared in my how to create and verify your Bitget accounts using your mobile device. This is faster. Your BVN or NIN is faster, and it says show recommended here. So I'm just going to click on the confirm button here to show that yes, I want to go with the BVN. If you don't want to go with the BVN, just make sure you select like your ID card of your choice, or driver license, or passport, but BVN is what I'm going to use. So I'll click on confirm, and it's going to load the next interface. It's going to ask you to allow Bybit take pictures and record video. I'll click on allow, then it's going to load the next interface. So if you're still watching to this point, I know said subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so I don't miss out on all the information I'll be sharing every Friday on my small business and I segments. And to all my OGs, thank you so much for your support. Let me know in the comment section what video you want me to share concerning crypto trading, crypto exchange. So now it loaded this next interface for me, and then it's going to ask you to choose if you're a resident in US or non-US resident. I don't live in the US. I'm not a US resident, so I'm going to click on this. If yours is otherwise, you click on the US resident, but I don't, so I'm going to click on this first option. I'll click on that and I'll press continue. The next interface is going to ask you to profile details, verify and complete your personal information, and take a selfie. So I'm going to click on the continue icon here to continue. So I'll click on continue, and it's going to ask me to confirm that my country of residence is still Nigeria here. If yours is not reflecting your country of residence, just click on this arrow here, click on that arrow there, and then you're going to click on the drop down list or search for your country of residence. Then next, I'm going to input my BVN, and I'm going to input my last name. I'll do that off camera, and I'll get back to this video. I've added my last name. Sorry, I had to blur that because these are sensitive information. So I'm going to click on continue, and then once I click on continue, it's going to load the next interface. And for the next interface, it's going to be requiring me doing a selfie verification. So this is my face. So your face scan is complete. It's as simple as that. Just make sure you look directly into the camera for your selfie. Now, to tell you, just like we did in our Bitget account, that your review is your verification is under review, and it takes 2 minutes. Your profile details under review, your selfie under review, and now you see that while still on the page, it should completed automatically. I've done my level 1 verification. You can see this just happened automatically. I've done my level 1 verification. So this is just how to verify your identity on your Bybit account using your mobile device in 2024, and this was done in less than a minute. So I'm going to do some edits. So once this is verified, you're going to see they're going to send you mails. They're going to send you mails here. So you see the mails they keep sending me. They'll send you mail that your verification has been completed, your welcome mail, and all that. So whatever you do on this platform, a mail will be sent to you. So once your identity has been verified for level 1, you will notice that this particular portion that says personal info is not reflecting. Like, they don't allow you to view it like that. So if you want to view it, you just need to click on this eye icon here. So on hide it, and once you click on the eye icon, they are going to send you a code in your email, and then once you input that code into this app, you'll be able to view this. And it's going to, since you use BVN, it's going to show your correct details that you use when registering for your BVN account. I hope this is clear. Now your Bybit account is ready. So I'm going to enable biometric. I'm going to enable biometric so that it's making it easier for me to transfer or sell and receive using my biometric, scanning my biometrics. So I'll click on the enable here. If you don't want to do that, you can do that now, you can click on later, but I'll click on the enable here to enable that. And then I will it's asking me to use my fingerprint recognition. I'm just going to approve, click on that, and place my finger to recognize that. So I don't use pattern lock, I want that. So now it says this is my email address, this is my UID, and this is what the account looks like. This Bybit account, we are going to enter some security details to turn on two-factor verification to secure our account. I'm also going to personalize this account, that is, change my DP just like I did in my Bitget tutorial. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box beneath this video, and also I'm going to drop the information above this particular video. So I'm going to click on this box here. This box here is a setting. I'll click on that, and once I click on that, it's going to ask me to add my profile image, my nickname, and all that. Able to change my nickname. I've changed my nickname here. I've changed my nickname. So I'm going to click on the setup two-factor verification, and then I am going to click on that now, and it's going to bring me here. You see that it says security level is low. Your account security level is low. Please enable at least one authentication method. So I'm going to use my Google two-factor authentication or my Google Authenticator app. Now, if you've not watched my Bitget account, please go and check that out and watch it and see how all these are done. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm going to get back to the video. So the first thing I want to do is to click on this place a root mobile setup, and I'm going to click on that. So it's going to ask me to input my phone number, and then once I've inputted my phone number, I'll verify that. All we're trying to do is to increase our security level. So to first of all send me a code to my email address, and I'm going to input that code. I'm going to input that code here. So let me minimize and go to my email address to get the code. It has sent me the security code, and it says 825017. So I'm going to just input that here, 825017. And then once I've inputted that, it's going to ask me to add my phone number to receive a verification code. You're going to notice that here it's not showing my country code. So I'll click on this drop down button so that I'll pick my country code. So if yours is not reflecting, just do that. You click on the drop down button, you can scroll up to get to your country, or you just search for your country here. I'm going to search for Nigeria here, and Nigeria is selected. Then I'm going to add my phone number. And then once I've done that, I'm going to click on receive verification code. So once I click on receive verification code, they're going to send you a code, like in form of a message on that mobile device, just to confirm that yes, that's the phone number. So first, I'm going to bring the slider here. I'm going to move this to complete the puzzle. You move this puzzle piece to this place, and you do that with this place here, this slider here that would slide to complete the puzzle. You click on this and you move it till you get till this puzzle piece gets here. So let me do that now. I'm just moving it, and it showed success. That is that. So they're going to send me the code now as an SMS. So this is the code 771305, 71305, and it showed verified successful. There's a pop-up somewhere that should verify successful. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fund password. That is the password I'm going to use whenever I want to make like a transaction. So I'm going to click on that. Whatever you do is going to leave you a mail. It shows that I have successfully added my phone number. So now I'm going to enter my password. So, and they said your password has to be between 8 to 30 characters, at least one lowercase and one uppercase, and at least one number. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get back to the video. So once I've done that, I'm going to click on this confirm here to confirm it. So I'll click on the confirm here, and it will show you that it said, please follow the on-screen prompt to complete the verification process. Security authentication, authenticate identity through an email and SMS, Google Authenticator app, facial verification, authenticate identity by comparing your proof of identity documents with those you submitted. So I'm just going to select the confirm here, just to confirm that. So it's going to send me a verification code to my Gmail account. I'm walking us all through this process so that you get your account secured, you get your Bybit account secured, and you don't have any issues after verifying, and you don't also have any issues when you are trading on the Bybit platform. So they send me an email now. and then 480,366, 480,366. And to ensure the security of your phone, please complete a facial verification. So I'll click on this option that says facial verification here, and then once I click on the facial verification, I'm going to have to wait for it to load, so that to load my face. Then it's asking me if I'm a resident, I'm a US resident or not. Like I did in previous interface, I'm not a US resident, so I'll click on the non-US resident and I'll click on continue. And then once I've clicked on continue, it will load the next interface for me. So yes, facial recognition. So the face scan is complete. Then I'm going to go and change my pass key. I'll put my pass key. I'll add my pass key and I'll get back to this video. Then also, I'm also going to set up my Google Authenticator. Like I said in my Bitget video, we can't screen record, we can't screenshot when making when working in the Google Authenticator app. So I'm just going to do that off camera. So you see, I've added my pass key. I've added my pass key here. So I'm just going to go back. You can add up to 10 pass keys. So, but I've added one. I have successfully added my Google Authenticator code to this, and it's turned on, and you see that my security level is now reflecting high. My security level is now reflecting high. So we've been able to create and we have been able to verify our Bybit account using our mobile device and in 2024. So this is all you need, guys. This is all you need. So this is something you are interested in, with crypto trading, crypto exchange, Binance, and all that's mining, airdrops. If something you are interested in, please stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, and leave me comments, ask your questions, and I'll see you in my next Friday segment of my small business and I. Thank you so much for your support. See you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.